Optimize roadside assistance and fleet maintenance with the Trimble Road Call module for Trimble TMT Fleet Maintenance, your solution for minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Unexpected vehicle breakdowns create chaos for transportation companies, driving up repair costs, disrupting schedules, and adding stress to drivers, dispatchers, and shop personnel. Road Call transforms this complex process into a seamless, integrated workflow. Bridge communication between drivers, dispatchers, service providers, and road call agents, ensuring everyone operates from the same real-time data set. With standardized, persona-based workflows, each party knows exactly what to do. Drivers can report breakdowns instantly from their mobile device via your fleet's integration. Service providers execute repairs and provide real-time updates back to the carrier. Road call agents oversee the process with a central control tower for enhanced visibility of breakdown events and tools designed to keep workflows streamlined and simple. Powered by Trimble's database of over 5 million commercial vehicle locations, Road Call gives you access to 20,000+ repair shop locations across North America, so you can instantly locate assets during breakdowns and identify the nearest service centers with real-time visibility, streamlining repairs and getting your drivers back on the road faster. With Map View integration, users can also access truck safe routing with mileage auditing compliance for a fully integrated breakdown management solution. With Road Call, fleets using the TMT Fleet Maintenance solution gain a powerful end-to-end breakdown management solution that reduces downtime, improves coordination, and optimizes maintenance operations. Turn chaos into control. Keep your fleet moving forward with the Road Call module for TMT Fleet Maintenance.